It isn't as easy to find refrigerator drawers reviews as it is to find reviews on standard refrigerators.
This is most likely because refrigerator drawers are usually viewed as a luxury item and not as many consumers purchase them as consumers who purchase refrigerators.
Most of the reviews you will come across for refrigerator drawers are from professional reviewers.
However, it is still important to do your research before setting out on your own to buy a major appliance.
Although more expensive and much smaller than full-size refrigerators, refrigerator drawers are ideal for those who entertain frequently.
They also make it convenient for children to access their own snacks, as you can fill one of these drawers with approved food and drinks that children can access on their own.
Refrigerator drawers are typically installed under the kitchen counters and provide extra space to refrigerate a variety of items.
Some of these drawers are ideal for party platters and items that may be too large to fit into your refrigerator with your other food.
Many models have 2 separate drawers, and some of these have separate controls for each drawer.
The KitchenAid Superba Architect KDDA 2070R features 2 drawers with separate controls as well as removable racks.
Consumer Reports rated this model excellent for its temperature performance. However, it received a poor rating on energy efficiency.
Other refrigerator drawers reviews you may want to consider are for the Sub-Zero 700BR.
This model features 5 cubic feet of refrigerator storage that you can incorporate into any room in your home.
It also features removable drawer dividers, drawer alarm, and a removable crisper cover.
When reading refrigerator drawers reviews, look for models that accept panels that will ensure a seamless fit into your kitchen decor.
Many of the refrigerator drawers come in a stainless steel finish, which will also look nice in most kitchens.
Some models feature several color choices and some models require custom panels.
Think about how you want to use the drawers before making a purchase, as some models are deep and are not very wide, while other models are wide enough to accommodate large items like trays.